How to recover deleted posts on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to restore any recently deleted post before it's permanently removed on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, find the post you want to delete and tap on the three dots at the top right corner of it. At this point, tap on delete and then tap delete again to confirm. Once deleted, the post will be moved to recently deleted and will remain there for 30 days before being permanently removed. In the next step, to recover your deleted post, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open your settings. Following this, scroll down and tap on Account. Once done, tap on Recently Deleted to open the folder containing all your deleted content. From here, find the post you want to restore and tap on it to open it. At this stage, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the deleted post. After this, tap on Restore to bring it back. Finally, tap Restore again on the confirmation prompt, and the post will be immediately restored back to your profile grid. Keep in mind that after 30 days, any content in Recently Deleted will be permanently gone and cannot be recovered, so make sure to restore anything important before then. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you recover your deleted posts, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.